Try namin yung Chick-fil-A dito sa West Edmonton Mall.
No Baguio.
Chick-fil-A. No Baguio. Naman. Try it, Andre. It's good. How's the nuggets, Miguela? Good? Ang liit naman na nuggets na to. How's the sauce? Ano mo nuggets? Ito yung Chick-fil-A Key Lime Lemonade. How was it, babes? Good, right? Tastes like ice cream. It's not sour at all. Dito kami sa Galaxy Land. Para sa mga bata. Yan. Kasama nila yung pinsan nila si Daniela. Nakatira sila dito sa Edmonton. So first ride. Go! You guys wanna go there? Go! Ayaw ni Andre doon sa roller coaster. Go! Diyan ka na lang. Sa maliit na roller coaster. Go there! Diyan na lang daw si Andre. Ayaw niya doon sa malaki. Andre! Nagkira na yun eh. Tapos may na-stock. Sila makasakay. Yeah. Finally. Mga nahilo. Ano si Michaela? Bye. See you. See you later. See you later, alligator. Walking around the mall right now. Kasi iniwan namin yung mga bata doon sa Galaxy Land. So, sila na bahala mag-rides doon. Kami andito naglalakad lang at nagre-relax. Right, babes? Walang show ngayon. Tapos na siguro. No? Pupunta kami sa Baba Gump. Check lang namin yung menu nila.
Is it only on weekends?
Maybe. Mais Roots. Filipino kitchen dito sa Edmonton.
What's that? Chicken guts?
Chicken, no?
Chicken lips.
Manghang. Manghang.
Yeah?
Iba kasi si sisig. Hindi ako masyadong kumakain ng ano. Pork sisig at chicken na lang. Ang init. Wow. Ganda ng kotse. Andre's there. Andre's there. Andre! Andre! Look here! Ang taas na nila, oh. Michaela. Ayun si Daniela, Isabel, at saka si Andre. Takot na yan si Andre. Wala. Bumalik si Andre. Takot. Edmonton. Isa pang 1 dozen with half plain. And then 4 chocolate ice with sprinkles. And what else? What do you want? Strawberry?
Get a lemon.
Hello,
It's up
welcome
to
to
you.
Krispy Kreme. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get 2 dozen?
Yeah, of course, 2 dozens.
Yeah, the 1 dozen of the plain.
Yeah, 1 dozen original, and then what else?
And then 6 original.
The other one.
This is another dozen, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 6 original.
And
4 chocolate. 5.
4 chocolate ice with sprinkles.
Okay, 4
One-
chocolate ice with sprinkles.
1 lemon glazed.
Okay, 1 lemon glaze.
And 1
You have 1 more.
sugar.
Yee! Krispy Kreme! Tad. Ang
original?
paboritong donut. Ayoko buksan kasi nakasarado siya.
Thank you.
Thank you. 2 dozens, ha? Wanna eat? OMG.
What's fresh?